like he didn't see that other bike, or didn't realise how slow Rapid Little Rock was going. And essentially, Little Rock wasn't doing anything wrong, it was in the middle of the track, which really left nowhere to go. And you can see after the bang, Kenneth Saboyu turns around on the...
Beaucoup de positions là, et chute derrière. Oh, voilà, ouais, grosse, voilà, il y a beaucoup de monde. Il y a Xavier Siméon, il y a Xavier Vierge. Pardon, au changement de feu. Ah, on revoit. Oh oui, alors effectivement, Afis Yarine, hein, il me semble.
And this was it. Look, Kenny Noyes was leading on across the line. And Morales, him and the bike do cross the line, just not together. Oh my goodness.
Stunned though by a violent crash earlier when 250cc Japanese rider Tado Sakaguchi collided with a bike on the track. Sakaguchi suffered a broken...
Careful. Ooh, that's Mike Di Meglio going down. Oh my goodness. Taking Schrotter, and Di Meglio hit then by... Oh my goodness me. Oh, he was hit by Alberto Moncada.
But as Gavin said, oh, big crash for Jonas Volker.
Oh, he obviously was working far too hard, too much gas, too early in the middle of the corner. That's
ha preso la riga, ci picchia, che brutto volo. Che brutto volo, ragazzi. Mamma mia. Ah, lì ha pestato veramente giù, fortissimo.
Accélère, on met la moto sur l'angle à gauche, voilà.
C'est l'arrière.
Ah ouais. Arrière, pas assez en température, certainement. Voilà, pour que ça fasse comme ça, c'est très rare aujourd'hui de voir des high-side comme ça en MotoGP.
The mill stack in today's 125cc Grand Prix in Japan. Run of the mill until you watch his bike, that is. Truly horrifying stuff this, as Spaniard Sergio Garcia T-boned the rampant machine, both bikes destroyed, and yet somehow both riders were able to walk away.
Back, clearing off. Oh, it's a big crash on the back. It's Axel Pons who goes down, bike in the middle of the track. Oh, and that's Mike Di Meglio, not Mike Di Meglio, who's replaced him. Oh my goodness, this is going to be red flags. This is going to be red flag. We're going to get a restart. It was Axel Pons, his bike was down.
You'll see it take part at any moment.
Pons, I tell you what, Cortese, Gino Rio was looking to miss it, definitely. And it is Imamuddin who hit the bike straight away. And at the back, Iturias. The bikes were going down as well. Someone else being brought.
Well, just down here now.
Oh, massive moment for Jorge Lorenzo. That's a huge one there. He was trying to get through, but James...
Oh, there's been a big crash there.
Crash here. A huge crash there. That's number 60.
That's Julian Simon.
This is in turn 2.
Oh. Shows what an amazing job the air fence can do as well, doesn't it?
O Marcos não pode entrar esse tipo de tombo, ó, injetou, tá vendo? Esse tipo de tombo quebra osso, né? Perdeu a frente.
Batista here.
Yeah.
Big high side, snapped him right off. Unfortunately, Scotty was able to get up and walk away.
Yeah, this is...
Of course, being Gibonel. We just saw the gap, and there goes Stoner. That's a huge high side from Casey Stoner. Stoner is out of the Italian Grand Prix, but he walks away from what is an amazing crash. So he's so lucky to walk.
An accident. This is at the top end of the circuit, coming out of Arrabbiata 2, fast section.
Oh no. Really nasty high side for an injured man.
Luca Grunwald lost control first. That wiped out Guevara and then Tanucci. Look at Grunwald's bike there. Thankfully, no more riders involved with 3, all taken out at the very last corner. Watch the first of the bikes. He's run wide, loses it, wipes out Guevara. Thankfully, everybody.
Trotzdem irgendwo kommen ein paar Tropfen runter. Uiuiui. Oh.
As they round the right-hander, Bradle and Wimmer side by side, Roth behind them. Oh, and a terrible accident there as Reinhold Roth collides with a rider going much more slowly. Alex Creville in...
Simone Corsi who's got past Keenan Sofwoglu. Oh, and that is Keenan Sofwoglu, isn't it? No, it's not. It's Max Neuker, the way they left.
In practice 3, and it came, Darryl, after doing a practice start at turn 5.
Yeah, and you can hear the on.
Oh my God, that is
huge
a big
crash.
That is coming into
the brakes and just the front goes and wow. Amazing scenes here. Nicky Hayden goes down.
White band around the tyre on the softer tyre compared to the other riders. Casey Stoner, even then, had the softer of the rear tyres. It caught all these riders. That right-hand side, that harder compound, as I said, that's arrived here this weekend. We haven't seen it since the beginning of the season. And the same tyre they ran here last year. Thankfully, after...
Oh, no, it's just a huge high side. Oh, and Kyrodine gets caught by the bike of Nicholas Ayo.
Considering just, so out of 1 into 2. Oh, he's gone down as he's grabbed the front brakes there. He had a heap of momentum coming off a lap time of a 31.
And one of the Grassini men has gone down. Is it Takahashi? Edition slippery out there. Kelly Pirro now leads the way.
And crashes seems to be a theme here at Phillip Island this weekend. This is 19-year-old Dutch rider Jasper Ivemina through the hay shed. That is possibly one of the worst places to fall.
On the run up towards the hay shed, Jules Cluzel.